Okay, so here's the first part of the methanol tank gauge. Starts with these sensors. If you notice, there's 5 of them. One up top, 2, 3, 4, and one down there at the bottom. So these sensors detect water on the opposite side of the tank. So if it sees water, the light comes on. So real simple, I got 5 of them. If the tank's full, they'll all be lit up as soon as the methanol level drops. The first light will go out and it'll read 80%. When the next light down goes out, it'll read 60, 40, 20, and then empty. So I got all these wired. And there's also another gauge I put right there, and that's for temperature and humidity, and I'll show you that on the gauge. But basically, they're all wired into this little harness, and all that harness is basically nothing more than a piece of Cat 5 or Cat 6, because you need 8 wires. You need a positive, a negative. You need 5 for each sensor, and then 1 more for the temperature and humidity. So there's 8 total, so I just thought I'd use some regular network cable. And I ran that up front, and I'll show you what it looks like and how I wired it in. All right, so you can see here, I've got this little box, about the size of my palm. I could have made it a little bit smaller, but this is just version 1. So right now I'm at 80% full. As you can tell, there was 1 light out. And you can make adjustments. Those are just double-sided sticky tape. The temperature here in North Carolina is 46 degrees, and it is 98.9% humidity. So it's kind of raining right now outside the garage. So there you have it. What I've gotten here is just a USB plug, and that's just plugged into the back, right there behind the center console. And there's where the network cable is, that blue cable that just runs to the back. And the way I did it is, I can pull this up. Yep. I can just unsnap this, unplug it, and I can take this meter anywhere I want, do another installation and another stinger. But when I'm ready, I just plug it back in. Now I got to plug back in, only got one hand. Then I'll show you what this thing looks like when it boots up.